20th November 1994. Couple of families, despite the advice of family and friends, moved in. Nearest shops, convenience stores were a short drive away. The MG Road, a full-blown rural highway. No metro, no bus stop, sort of cut off from everything. As the early movers stayed on, enjoying the tranquility, peace, the open areas, the fresh air, birds and peacocks agog the complex, the movement of making what heritage is today took shape.
You see, November 94, I shifted from Ashoko Hotel, Chanakyapuri to Heritage City on my birthday, 20th November. So what attracted me to this place after seeing whole of Noida which was coming up, Noida, Vasant Kunj, Delhi, I chose this place because of the openness, greenness and the location. And this pink sandstone, it reminded me of my beloved Jaipur and Ashok Hotel facade. This has proven very lucky for me. My daughter got married from here. My son, he was a teenager when he came here. Then he got selected in IIM. Today he is director in British Bank, Barclays. And you see, I have been in upteen boards, number of boards. All these neighbors, I think I am in the 82nd year. I want to hit my century here. I don't want to shift other places where my son and my daughter are insisting, because I love this place and I love the residents.
Well, it's a very comfortable place and it is being managed very well. We are quite happy with it. Every morning I do 1 kilometer walk along this RTM.
So 25 years now we've been living here, and it has been quite an enjoyable staying here and enjoying this beautiful heritage city. Yeah, initially when we came here there were very few people. So as a matter of fact, to bring people and make a society was quite a task earlier. So, but anyhow, we've somehow made the society, got it registered. In the beginning, it was more of a struggle. After taking over, we were able to do many improvements in Heritage City. If you see the boundary wall here, it was just about 4 feet high, 4 to 5 feet. We had to brought it up to about almost 8 feet, which was quite a task, as a matter of fact. In terms of security, it is also was required, very much required at that time. After that, Heritage City has been a very progressive society, I would say. Water issue had become a very big problem in Gurgaon. The ground level was going down. So we all came together and I brought a proposal to make water harvesting wells in Heritage City, which was, I would say that all the residents were so much in favor of it that they gave approval immediately. And in collaboration with the Ministry of Water Resources, we made water harvesting wells in Heritage City, which was not even mandatory. But as a society, we felt that it's our responsibility that we must conserve water. So that's how we progress in that area also. Well, I was the president twice. This happened in the first term. And the second term, we also made an STP plant, sewage treatment plant, which again was saving almost 70,000 litre water. As a matter of fact, we did some calculation also, and with water harvesting and with the STP plant, as a society we are saving almost 4.5 crore litre every year. So which is a big high point, I would say.
When we came in 1995, there were only about 6 or 7 persons living in phase 1. So you can imagine how it was. The whole place was empty, and phase 2 and 3 were not even there.
At that point of time, Unitech was still here. They were running the society basically. But we few residents felt that we should get together and get to know each other and maybe at least celebrate the festivals. And that is how we started. Initially, it was in Block 6 in the atrium. We would get together. We would have meetings there. We would pull out chairs and bring tea in flasks from the houses and biscuits and just basically get to know the neighbors. And that is how we started celebrating the festivals. The first Diwali festival was held outside Block 17. Personal floors was still being completed at that time. And that was the beginning of Herwa, basically. It's a pleasure now to see how the society has grown and how beautiful heritage is now. And we are all part of this beautiful society.
Our gardens in Heritage City, I've traveled a lot of colonies. The garden that we have here, the landscape, etc., is among the best in Gurgaon. And housekeeping also is very good over here. Security is very old security, and they are doing a very good job. We feel very safe inside, and we are very happy to walk in the lovely lawns and gardens.
As the numbers grew and HEVA was formed, many residents pitched in as board members and even otherwise to fulfill the dream of every resident to live in a beautiful green environment where children could be out safe. Roads were motorable, all facilities were set, and of course, great neighbors. In spite of no facilities, no convenience stores till 2009, no resident moved out of Heritage of their own will. Many residents who came in as tenants because of their jobs here bought their own dwelling, changed their jobs to stay on. Many would travel hours every day to Noida and Delhi to work and still be happy to stay so far. Mind you, the highway and MG road were pretty rural, and the Sikandarpur market one had to cross to come on to home.
Every season has its own charm, and the heritage residents enjoy it all. Just like we celebrate our community functions, Diwali, Holi, Lohri, Independence Day.
So today, we celebrate the day when our first residents came in as our foundation day, the beginning of a dream of thousands happy heritage citizens.